90% of option traders labeled experts still fail inside their first week. They pile on leverage, turning tiny market moves into catastrophic account losses overnight. Chasing hot tips and overnight riches replaces disciplined setups and repeatable strategies. Skipping position sizing and stop rules means one bad trade wipes everything out. Emotional trading, panic selling, and impulsive doubling down destroys even good analysis. Rushed entries, misclicks, and poor platform familiarity make execution errors costly. Look at a simple sample equity curve that drops steeply after repeated beginner mistakes. Tip 1. Always cap risk per trade to 1 to 2% of your total capital. Tip 2. Practice in a demo account, then scale positions slowly as you prove an edge. Tip 3. Keep a written trade plan with entry, exit, risk, and a 5-step checklist. Discipline beats intuition. Follow rules, review mistakes, and protect your downside every day. 3 quick steps: risk limits, demo practice, written plan. Subscribe for steady growth.